Hello friends, I am Saurabh Bolodi and I welcome back every one of you joining from across the globe to my YouTube channel. And as I promised you in my previous videos, today we'll be discussing the list of Canadian government approved institutions in Canada which will help you get a valid study permit, that is also your student visa and eventually a postgraduate work permit. So let's start with the basic necessity of getting a student visa, that is getting accepted in a designated learning institute. Now what is the DLI? Designated learning institutions or DLIs are Canadian government approved colleges and universities to host international students. So guys, while applying to a college or university, please make sure that your institution that you apply in is on the DLI panel. This will not only help you to get the student visa but also help you get a postgraduate work permit. So let me help you and show you with a demonstration on how to check if the college or university that you are applying in is on the DLI panel or not, or we can say in other words, is Canadian government approved institution or not. So without any further ado, let's start with the demonstration. Let me just show you.
Initially, we start by putting the keyword DLI list Canada on Google. When we search for this term, the very first link that appears is our go-to link, and as we can see that it is clearly mentioned here that to apply for a study permit you need an acceptance letter from a designated learning institution. A designated learning institution is a school approved by provincial or territorial government to host international students. So guys, here you will find the list of universities and colleges that are Canadian government approved for you to get a valid study permit and eventually get the postgraduate work permit. So when you scroll down the web page, you will see here the list of province or territory. It will ask you for selecting an option from drop down. So for example, I select the province Ontario in which my college Centennial lies. So when I click on this, it shows me the list of institutions that are DLI approved and will eventually help me get the study permit in Ontario region. If I search for my college name here, I can see that it is in the immigration panel and is Canadian government approved, and it is mandatory for us to check if the programs available in this particular institution makes us eligible for postgraduate work permit here or not. So when I see here it is mentioned yes, that means if I get admission in Centennial College, so it will be I will be eligible for a postgraduate work permit. So guys, it is mandatory for you to check if your institution gives you an opportunity for applying a postgraduate work permit or not. We can see another example of Humber in Ontario. So yeah, Humber is also in the DLI panel and it offers you postgraduate work permit. So guys, it is not mandatory that all the colleges or universities mentioned in the Ontario region gives you a postgraduate work permit. So please check this last column. If it is mentioned no here, that means you will get a study permit if you apply in these institutions, but it will not give you a postgraduate work permit if it is mentioned no in the last column. You can do the same for another provinces, for British Columbia, Manitoba, Quebec, Ontario and a lot more. So this is the basic thing. So guys, जैसे कि इंडियन पेरेंट्स को मैं बता रहा था, यहाँ पे आप प्रोविंस वाइज देख सकते हो कि कौन सा कॉलेज और यूनिवर्सिटी आपको एलिजिबल करता है स्टडी परमिट के लिए, और ये जो लास्ट कॉलम है यहाँ पे पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वर्क परमिट का, ये आपको बताता है कि उस कॉलेज या यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन लेने से आप एलिजिबल होगे पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वर्क परमिट के लिए या नहीं। स्टडी परमिट मिलने के लिए इस लिस्ट में आपके कॉलेज या यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम होना ज़रूरी है, बट अगर यहाँ पे नो मेंशनड है लास्ट कॉलम में, सो आपको स्टडी परमिट तो मिल जाएगा, बट लास्ट में बाद में आपको जब आपका कोर्स खत्म हो जाएगा तो आप एलिजिबल नहीं होगे बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस या यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में जहाँ पे नो मेंशनड है। सो मेक श्योर करो जब आप इतना इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, व्हेन यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग सच अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वर्क परमिट. I have also given this particular link in the description box below, so if you guys have any problem left, you can check it out for your institution from this description below. और किसी को भी कोई भी अगर इसमें डाउट आया सो प्लीज़ आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइए, सो दैट मैं आपको पर्टिकुलरली आपका कॉलेज या यूनिवर्सिटी का बता सकूं कि आप पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वर्क परमिट के लिए एलिजिबल होगे कि नहीं, या आपको स्टडी परमिट मिलेगा कि नहीं, क्योंकि DLI में होना ज़रूरी है।
Guys, as shown in the demonstration, this selection of college and university is extremely important for your future, so double check it, like I've demonstrated in the video here. In case you still have got any query if your institution is on the DLI panel or makes you eligible for a study permit and later on for a postgraduate work permit or not, please drop the name of your institution in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. एंड इंडियन पेरेंट्स एंड दोस्त जो भी देख रहे हैं ये वीडियो, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर करें कि अगर आप किसी कॉलेज या यूनिवर्सिटी में अप्लाई करते हैं तो वो इस DLI पैनल में ज़रूर होनी चाहिए, तभी आपको एक वैलिड स्टडी परमिट मिलेगा। और ये भी मेक श्योर कर लें कि वो यूनिवर्सिटी या कॉलेज आपको पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वर्क परमिट के लिए एलिजिबल बनाते हैं कि नहीं, क्योंकि आप इतना सारा पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। सो आप 3 साल या 2 साल या 1 साल यहाँ पे पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट वर्क परमिट पे काम भी करना चाहेंगे। सो मेक श्योर करें वो लास्ट वाला कॉलम चेक्ड हो और उसमें येस हो। So guys, at the end we have come to the conclusion of this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your aspiring friends and subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Guys, there is that button, red color button, please click on that and you will be subscribed to my channel. And if you got any queries, you can always tell me in the comment section, and I really thank you all for joining in, and I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye bye.